Good morning. I'm Janelle Black, and I'm happy to be here today to speak with you on behalf of the York County Bar Association, the York County Bar Foundation. The Bar Association is a membership organization of over 500 attorneys. We are here to serve the needs of the lawyers, the judges, and also the public. The key component of our mission that brings us to events like today is helping to improve the way we provide legal services and education to the public. One thing I'm happy to get to share with you is a collaboration of the Bar Association. We've partnered with WellSpan Health to pilot a program where advanced medical directives, so documents like a healthcare power of attorney, are uploaded into their portal, and that allows that information to be available throughout WellSpan wherever the individual is receiving care. Our foundation was created in 1991 as the charitable arm of the association, and the foundation's mission is to promote the administration of justice, increase the access to justice, and promote public understanding and respect for the law and for the legal system. As you've heard earlier, the York County Bar Foundation is the largest private funder of law-related initiatives in York County. This includes law-related projects such as the Truancy Initiative, which we partner with United Way, as well as the York County's Drug, DUI, Mental Health, and Veterans Treatment Courts. There's a list of the other programs that we support in our annual report, which is in your materials at your seat. Some of the foundation programs to help our mission are programs such as Legal Lines, which is an educational video presentation hosted by a local attorney, Glenn Smith. It's on our website, it's on YouTube, it's on community access television. We also do a mock trial competition, which exposes high school students to the law process. We host Law Day celebrations, which celebrate the nation's commitment to the rule of law. And we also have a Liberty Bell Award, which honors non-attorney volunteers who encourage commitment to the rule of law and legal system. We do have some partnerships or collaborative programs as well. One of these is the York County Alliance for Learning's Law Career Exploration Program, and we also provide administrative assistance to some local programs, Leave a Legacy and Estate Planning Council. So now that you've had an overview of the association and the foundation as a whole, I'm going to devote the rest of my time to discussing our civil legal services programs. This graph is here to illustrate the overwhelming need for legal aid in our community. And this is part of the reason why the bar strives to assist through our pro bono program. Now, you've likely seen the social media meme that not all heroes wear capes. In just a moment to recognize that our pro bono attorneys are our heroes. They provide their free legal services through our volunteer-driven efforts. We wouldn't be here to talk about pro bono without them. And to fully understand our pro bono program, we also have to take a minute to appreciate MidPenn. MidPenn works with us to place their overflow or conflict cases with our pro bono attorneys. We do also help by being a funder of MidPenn. The foundation helps to fund one of the 5 attorneys at MidPenn. Just to give you something to think about, of those 5 attorneys, they need to serve over 60,000 individuals that are living in poverty. So that gives you a better understanding of why our pro bono efforts are so important to the community. Our pro bono efforts are not limited just to assisting with direct case representation. Our volunteer attorneys also dedicate their time and service in a variety of ways: law clinics, supporting the Youth Court Alliance, expungement and record sealing clinics, our new driver's license restoration clinic. We also have an annual Wills for Heroes event where attorneys provide no-cost estate planning documents for veterans and first responders. So since it is Pro Bono Month, we just wanted to celebrate Pro Bono Month and take one more minute to recognize our volunteer attorneys for all that they do. This illustrates some of the types of legal services that are handled through our partnerships. New to this list is the driver's license restoration clinic, which you'll hear more about in a bit. But this initiative is a direct result of feedback and guidance from the community. So thanks to all of you, our community partners as well. In fact, one of the reasons we like to do this program is to help you to be able to provide warm handoffs. So we know there's a lot of options, a lot of confusion as to where people should go, and we want to help to make that less confusing. So get them out of the gerbil wheel that the judge mentioned earlier. So if you are working with someone that you think would qualify for mid-pen, obviously they need to start there. You've already heard from Attorney Bowmaster. If an individual does not qualify for mid-pen, our pro bono program won't assist either, but we do have something called our modest means program. This may help. It has grown out of community summits like these, and it's designed to assist what is being called the ALICE population, and we recognize and acknowledge United Way's work to spotlight these individuals that are asset limited, income constrained, employed. So they're the population that may benefit from modest means, which can provide lower cost legal assistance in the areas of family or criminal law matters. There is an application process, so anyone who is interested should contact the Bar Association. There's also a postcard in your materials that will highlight the Modest Means program. On the flip side of that is our attorney connection lawyer referral. This is not part of our legal services, legal aid component, but it's a lawyer referral service. It's available to anyone. They can contact us and we'll try to put them in touch with an attorney that's best able to assist. We also have our York Lawyers for the Arts, which is a collaboration with the Cultural Alliance of York County. This can partner attorneys with artists and art organizations who may need free or lower cost legal assistance specific to their work as a creative in the community. You've heard a lot already about our expungement clinic. We've hosted these for a number of years now. We host them typically twice a year since 2016. Our goal is really to help individuals with a criminal record overcome the barriers that are created in housing and getting a job and credit issues through their criminal history. These clinics really wouldn't happen without a great partnership. Here are some of our partners that have cooperated with us in the past. Speaking of partnerships, our driver's license restoration clinic is coming up in December. This also wouldn't be happening without our partners or our volunteer attorneys. And there is a flyer in your materials. If you know of anyone who think you want to share it with anyone who you think could benefit from this program, please have them get in touch with the Bar Association and we'll see what we can do. Also in your materials is this flyer. It's a flow chart of all the legal services, sort of a summary of what's being presented today. It's for you to take with you, keep with you. It's an updated version if you were here before. It's updated with some new information. It's a means to help individuals you're helping navigate the legal system so that they can get that warm handoff. Lastly, this is our home at the bar. We can't really accommodate walk-ins, so please have individuals call if you think they could benefit from our service. And on behalf of the Bar Association and Foundation, thank you for attending, and we look forward to continuing to work with you to improve access to justice.